How to make money with affiliate marketing. Make your six-figure income fast. So before I go into today's video, I want you to understand that affiliate marketing is an opportunity for you to make money on the internet from the comfort of your home, because you can promote products and services that other people want to purchase anyway from the particular product vendor or the store or the online website or the online e-commerce shop or whatever the platform is. You can promote other people's products and services through your affiliate link and make sales daily. Okay, and if you can get a lot more people to purchase through your affiliate link, you can make a lot more sales daily. You might not even you might say goodbye to your job. So that's how you can make a lot more money, because let me explain what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is essentially where a product is being sold by a merchant or a vendor, and they have a program called affiliate program, where they say, okay, if you can bring a customer, okay, I will give you a percentage of the sales that has happened. Usually they give a percentage of the sales that has happened. It's a set amount. Let's say they give 75% commissions, or they say 50% or 10%, whatever the case may be. They offer you as an affiliate a certain percentage of the sale that has happened. Let's say you promote a $100 product. They say that they're going to give you 50% commissions. You get $50 for every single sale. Imagine 100 people have purchased that $100 product. 100 into 50, you multiply that and you make that much amount of money. So that's how easily you can make a lot more sales using affiliate marketing. So here's the product vendor. You grab your affiliate link from the product vendor or the company or the merchant or the whatever the case may be. Grab your affiliate link, and here's your customer who's eventually going to purchase the products from that particular vendor. You come in between and tell them, hey, are you looking to buy this product? Buy it through my affiliate link, and in turn you get a commission of the percentage of the sale that they have promised. So that's how you make money using affiliate marketing. It's as simple as that. You might have purchased products on Amazon before, so you can get started right away. If you want to make money right now, is to talk about that. Let's say you turn on your camera, turn on your phone camera, turn on laptop camera, whatever you have, or if you have your professional camera or webcam, turn that on. Take the product that you have actually purchased from Amazon or from any other marketplace. Talk about that. Okay, record, tell about the pros, the cons, tell about the benefits of purchasing, what value you got out of it, how it will be beneficial to the viewer, and then put that video up on YouTube, on social media. Okay, and tell people who want to purchase that they need to click the link in the description. In the description, you need to go and grab your affiliate link from that particular place that you purchased that product from. If you bought it from Amazon, place that link. If you bought it from eBay, put that link. If you bought it from any other marketplace or any other store, if it's a course, whatever it is, just talk about that, create a video, and then place your affiliate link. Okay, if you can place your affiliate link in the description below, you will be able to get a lot of people who are watching that video come and click the link in the description below. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? You can make money immediately. So that video will live on YouTube, video will live on social media forever. So if people come across that video and they keep finding it, and you keep promoting or sharing it again, a lot of people will watch that, and then they will click that video, and then they will come and check the link in the description below. So they'll click through it and they'll purchase it. If they are looking to purchase it right away, or they purchased it, a cookie will be added to their browser. A cookie is the tracking thing that tracks that, okay, they have come through your affiliate link. Because they have come through your affiliate link, the particular product vendor will pay you a commission for the sales that you generate. Imagine 1,000 people have bought just one $50 product, and they pay you 50% commissions. 25 into 1,000, we make 25,000 right away, then and there. Okay, so all you need to do is go sign up for an affiliate program. Let's say you go to Amazon, you sign up to the Amazon Associate Central, or let's say you want to promote a product on ClickBank, go to clickbank.com. Let's say you want to go promote a product from eBay, Flipkart, Myntra, or Share a Sale, or Warrior Plus, or Digistore, or JVZoo, or whatever the case may be. Go find a product that you want to promote, or product that you already have, because talking about a product that you already have is much more beneficial for people to actually purchase it through your affiliate link. So my first sale happened when I was talking about ebooks that I've already purchased, and because I've talked about the ebooks that I've already purchased, people have gone through my affiliate link and they have went and purchased other Kindle books that they actually wanted to read. Because that I got sales. And same way, if I talk about the laptop that I have, the camera that I have, the microphone that I have, and the microphone that I have, people will want to check it out and they will purchase that. So whether they buy that product right away or they look to add buy other products, it doesn't matter. Amazon will credit the sales for me. So likewise, this is how you get started with affiliate marketing. It's as simple as that. Let's say you found a course that you want to promote. Someone else is promoting a course and you have purchased that course, or you think, okay, I want to promote this course and it will be valuable to someone. So go ahead and go grab your affiliate link from that particular course provider. Go ask them your affiliate link. Hey, can you give me a sign? Can you help me grab an affiliate link for your product? I would like to promote it to my audience. They will give you an affiliate link and they will say, okay, I can pay you so much amount of commission if you bring sales to it. And because of that, you create a video on that, or you create a post on that, or you talk about it, and you tell them, okay, if you are interested, you give value, explain whatever the product is, and then you tell, if you're interested, you can go ahead and click the link in the description below. A certain chunk of the people will come and click the link and they will come and check it out, and if some of them are ready to buy, they'll buy it right away. So that's how you make money instantly right now. So if you want to make money in the next 5 minutes, pick a product that you already have, okay, create a video on that, talk about it, go grab your affiliate link, upload that video on YouTube, place the link in the description below. It's as simple as that. So any product that you have in your house, whether that's an electronic, that's a book, that's your laptop, that's a camera, that's your phone, that's your fridge, that's your washing machine, that's whatever it is, whatever that you have, grinder, mixer, whatever that you have right now at your home. Even if you have your internet connection, or you have a tool online like your VPN, or whether that you have your email service provider, definitely make sure to go ahead and use that particular affiliate link by placing them a link in the description below, and people will start clicking on that link. If more people start clicking on the link, you are definitely sure that about at least 10 to 30% of the people will convert into sales. Imagine you got 10,000 people. What is 10% of that? What is 30% of that? You do the math, multiply that, and you will know, okay, so I'll be able to make so much amount of sales. For so many amount of views, I'll be able to make so many amount of sales. It's as simple as that. And if the product is pretty cheap, you imagine about 80 to 90% will convert into buyers. Sometimes people will add other products to the cart and they'll buy a lot more products, and you will be able to make a lot more affiliate sales. It's as simple as that. Don't try to complicate it. That's how you can make money instantly, easily, and beginners fail to take that into consideration because they try to promote advanced products that do not make them money. Go for simple products that you already have. Start there. Start simple. Keep it simple. Professionals in the affiliate marketing space always keep it simple. Keep it simple. Do minimal tasks. Make sure to do important tasks that move the needle in your affiliate marketing business, or if you're trying to make money using affiliate marketing. So check the link in the description below, and if you're new here, please subscribe. Help me grow my channel to 100,000 subscribers and help me reach my million subscriber goal. Okay, and if check out the link in the description below. I'm offering you first 3 chapters of my brand new book, Affiliate Marketing Mastery. It's for free, and I will also leave a link in the description for you to check out Affiliate Marketing Mastery book, which will be launched on August 30th. And if you're watching it at a later date, you will be able to buy it instantly. So check it out. And if you are the first 50 customers, you can use the coupon code given below and grab the Affiliate Marketing Mastery course, because I will be prices will go up, and there are various different coupon codes for different price points. So right now I'm offering it for a very cheap price, and you get to learn everything about affiliate marketing, and you will be able to make your first 6 figures using affiliate marketer. I'm also going to give, if you check out the link in the description below, you will also see affiliate marketing tracking sheet, business tracking sheet, which tracks your affiliate marketing incomes and earnings and content and traffic and list and everything that goes into affiliate marketing. It tracks in an Excel spreadsheet that I've made. So you can grab that also for free and be part of my email list. That will help you make your first 6 figures using affiliate marketing. So if you want to make 6 figures using affiliate marketing, what you need to do right now is take that product, and this is your 6-figure income goal. If you're looking to promote only one product, divide the affiliate marketing income goal divided by the prior product price or the commission, and you'll get, okay, I need to make so much amount of sales. So you'll keep on creating content on that, or you'll keep on driving traffic, or you'll try to make so many amount of sales to make that 6-figure income goal. If you're trying to create a bunch of products, make sure, okay, I'm going to generate so many amount of sales from this product, so many amount of sales from this product, so much for this product as well, respectively. So if you are able to understand what I'm trying to say using affiliate marketing, you will be able to make a lot more money from the comfort of your home, make money using the internet right away. And if you found this video valuable, please consider subscribe, hitting the like button, and help it go out in the algorithm and help it reach more people, because lot more people need this product or service. Okay, they need this valuable information that will help them succeed in affiliate marketing. So if you can get started with affiliate marketing for free and actually learn about this and take action, you will get a lot more benefit from it, and you'll be able to make a lot more money today, right now. Just in 10 minutes you'll be able to create a video, upload it, and place your affiliate links. You'll be able to make a lot more sales. Give it 30 days, keep on creating content, and get in front of your customers. Just talk about what products or services you're using, what tools you're using, whatever thing that you've come across. If you find an affiliate product on Amazon, promote it. If you find a product on eBay, promote it. If you find a product on Flipkart, or any clothing store that you have, cloth also you have, go find an affiliate programs, sign up for it, and grab your affiliate links and start talking about it. That's how you get started with affiliate marketing. As simple as that. Whatever you have is the best place to start. So check it out, check out the link in the description, and subscribe to the channel and share it on social media so that your friends can find value in this. And I'll see you in the next video.